Have you ever noticed that as you get older, your energy, focus, and even your motivation don't always feel the same? Many men in their 60s and beyond start to believe that fatigue, stiffness, and low drive are just part of aging. But what if they aren't? I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and after years of working with men over 50, I've learned that vitality doesn't fade because of age. It fades because of small daily habits that quietly drain the body. Today we'll talk about 3 hidden habits that most men never think about, how they limit your energy and circulation, and most importantly, how to restore your body's natural power safely and naturally. The habit of rushing. We live in a world that rewards speed, quick meals, quick news, quick results. But your body after 60 doesn't thrive on rush. It thrives on rhythm. Many men carry that same go-go-go pace into every part of life. Eating too fast, skipping recovery days, multitasking even when the body is asking for stillness. That constant pressure keeps the nervous system in alert mode. When you rush, blood vessels stay slightly constricted, muscles hold tension, and oxygen flow decreases. You might still get things done, but deep inside your body is operating on shallow energy. To reverse that, begin inserting micropauses into your day. Take 5 deep breaths before you start a task. Walk a little slower. Stretch for a minute when you stand up from a chair. These moments of pause signal safety to your brain. In response, circulation improves, blood pressure lowers, and you begin to feel grounded again. Vitality after 60 isn't about doing more. It's about doing things with presence. Too much physical pressure. The second hidden habit is applying too much pressure, physically or mentally, when your body actually needs gentleness. As we age, our muscles and connective tissues lose some elasticity. The instinct is often to fight that by pushing harder. Heavier workouts, longer chores, more caffeine. But excess strain wears down joints, tightens blood vessels, and increases inflammation. Think of your body now as a classic car, strong, capable, but requiring regular lubrication and careful handling. Gentle strength training 2 or 3 times a week does far more for longevity than occasional bursts of overexertion. Activities like yoga, swimming, or Tai Chi improve balance, coordination, and circulation without overstressing the heart. Even the way you breathe during effort matters. Slow, rhythmic breathing tells your body it's safe. Holding your breath tells it to brace. Train with kindness, not punishment, and your body will reward you with stability and energy. Neglecting the emotional connection. The third habit is invisible but powerful. Ignoring the emotional side of health. Many men grew up hearing that emotions should be contained, that expressing fear, loneliness, or even pride wasn't masculine. Over decades, that quiet suppression turns into physical stress. The body tightens, sleep quality drops, and hormones shift toward imbalance. Science now confirms what wisdom traditions have always said. Your emotional state directly influences your cardiovascular and hormonal systems. Stress hormones like cortisol constrict vessels and block the release of testosterone and serotonin, chemicals that keep you strong and motivated. To counter this, create emotional hygiene rituals just like you create physical ones. Try journaling 3 lines a night about gratitude or lessons learned. Call a friend each week for a genuine conversation. Even 10 minutes of mindfulness or prayer can reset the nervous system. Emotional awareness isn't weakness. It's preventive medicine for the heart, mind, and hormones. Building a restorative routine. Now that we've uncovered what drains vitality, let's build what restores it. Start your day hydrated. Water first, coffee later. Add lemon or cucumber to boost antioxidants. Move gently for 10 minutes, simple stretches or a brisk walk. This wakes up blood flow without overtaxing the heart. Eat whole, colorful foods. Greens for circulation, berries for antioxidants, lean protein for muscle preservation. Reduce processed sugar. It spikes inflammation, which accelerates aging. Prioritize sleep like a prescription. Dim lights an hour before bed. Keep devices out of reach and cool the room slightly. Deep rest is the most powerful anti-aging tool available. Finally, schedule joy. Purposeful hobbies, volunteering, or mentoring younger generations trigger dopamine, the brain's vitality signal. Reframing aging as evolution. Aging isn't decline, it's adaptation. Your body isn't failing. It's refining. The systems that once ran on speed now thrive on steadiness. When you treat your changing body as a partner instead of a problem, you unlock deeper strength and wisdom. Many men discover in their 60s that the slower rhythm of life allows more clarity, more creativity, and even more intimacy in relationships. The key is respect, respecting your limits, your emotions, and your need for renewal. The energy you seek isn't lost. It's waiting beneath the noise of rush, pressure, and old beliefs. Practical daily checklist. Here's a quick checklist you can start using tomorrow. A pause 3 times a day to breathe deeply for 60 seconds. A move, even a 20-minute walk, boosts circulation. A strength train lightly twice a week. A connect emotionally with someone you trust. A sleep 7 to 8 hours in a cool, dark room. A hydrate with at least 6 glasses of water. A reflect, write, or pray each night to release tension. None of these require extreme effort. Together they rebuild the foundation of long-term vitality. Remember, your body hasn't given up on you. It's simply asking for a different kind of attention. Slow down the rush, lighten the pressure, and honor your emotions. When you do, you'll find your strength returning in ways that surprise you. If this video helped you see aging in a new light, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who's on the same journey, and don't forget to subscribe to Dr. Zoe Hartley, where we celebrate wisdom, vitality, and confident living at every age.